Emily from Homemade Emily Jane. Today I want to tell you about a free beginner-friendly quilt pattern. This is the Explore quilt. It features half square triangles, like shown, but the really great thing about it is that you don't ever have to match up seams, so that's what makes it really great for beginners. The method used for the half square triangles is the 2 at a time method, which is by far the easiest half square triangle method you can use. The Explore quilt pattern comes in 3 sizes, while hanging, baby, and throw size. What you see here behind me is the baby size, and it comes in at about 40 inches square. If you want to get the Explore quilt pattern, be sure to check out the description below for a link to sign up for my email newsletter. When you sign up for the newsletter, the pattern will be automatically emailed to you right away. One thing I love about the Explore quilt pattern is that it always looks good in lots of different color combinations and options. I'll show you a couple different options now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little video about the Explore quilt pattern. Be sure to check out my website, homemadeemilyjane.com, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course find me on social media as well for lots more sewing and quilting tips and tricks.